Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is always a pleasure to have you here. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily make your own healthy coconut flour at home in 2 different ways. So I have my coconuts here and I'll go ahead and chop them into small pieces. So now it is all done. Go ahead and put them in a blender and then add some water and blend it up until it is really nice and smooth. Once that is done, you will need a cheesecloth or a strainer, a fine strainer, and then you want to really strain it well, separating all the husk from the milk. So go ahead and squeeze until you've got all the liquid out. If you like, you can add a little bit more water to the husk and blend it for the second time and repeat the same process. Here, my lovely, as you can see, our husk is ready. So the next thing I'll do is to separate them on a tray, ready for this to be dried. You can dry this in your oven, but the color might change. So once it is done, I place them in the sun. Now look how dry this is. All that is left now is to mill it or blend it in a blender until you have it really nice and smooth. Here we are with our coconut flour, 2 shades, brown and white. Once this is done, you can store this in your container for your pancakes, cakes, or any recipe that calls for coconut flour. With our second method, you want to go in and peel the skin off, leaving you with the whiter flesh. Okay, as we did before, I'm going to give this a quick chop up into smaller pieces and then give it a nice blend. Hello, thank you so much for stopping by to watch. Please be sure to leave me a thumbs up, helping the channel to grow. Now it is nicely blended. Look how pure and white this is, and I'm straining it well as we did with the first one, separating all the from the coconut flesh. Once that is done, get yourself a tray and flick it up like this, ready for it to be dried. We are going to place this outside in the sun until it dries completely. Now take a look how dry it is. Yes, so I have blended it up as we did before, and we are going to be sieving this pure goodness up. It is so smooth, and you can imagine how many delicious recipes this pure fine organic coconut flour will make. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate it, share if you can, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, take care and stay blessed. Bye bye.